So I have an icon right here on my desktop, which is a shortcut to open the Movie Studio software. If you don't have this, you just go to your Start menu and find the software and open it from there. But let's just go ahead and double click and get that opening up. And the first thing we're presented with is this welcome window here, and it's going to give us several choices about how we want to open the software. The first choice is to create a project using common presets. Well, we want to be the masters of our project. We don't want to fall into certain things they've decided for us, so we're not going to do that. Show me how tutorials. Well, we don't need those because you're watching my video here. We want to use Vegas Studio all on our own. We want to make our own decisions. Now, if you have Vegas Pro, you're not even going to be asked all these questions. This is going to open up for you. If you don't want to see this dialog every time you start it, just uncheck Show at Startup. So we're going to check on the third choice here, and we can now see the interface waiting for us to start to do some editing. But before we do that, let's talk about a few things. First of all, on my screen here, you'll see it kind of laid out in a narrow strip across. I have this configured this way just to look good in terms of the widescreen format of this video you're watching. Normally, when I'm working, what you should do too, to give yourself the most room, is just double click on the top title bar, and it expands to fill the whole screen there. So I'm going to minimize it back again for my purposes, but certainly you can work in full screen mode.